And breaking news sources tell Times Now that BJP leadership has specifically asked Colonel Sonaram Chaudhary, the BJP candidate from Barmer, to not make any personal attack against the veteran BJP leader Jaswant Singh. Let's get in more perspective from Aditya, who is joining us this morning from Barmer. Aditya, is this some kind of a damage control specifically by Vasundhara Raje? You know, this coming after Jaswant Singh has very categorically said this on national television that yes, she is the woman who betrayed me.
Well, absolutely, Dipti, very well pointed out. Both Vasundhara Raje, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and also the Bharatiya Janata Party leadership in Delhi have decided and in fact informed Colonel Sonaram Chaudhary, who is the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate from the Barmer city, to avoid the media like plague, and also not to really resort to any kind of personal attacks against Jaswant Singh. Remember, Jaswant Singh has been one of the tallest leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He was the Union External Affairs Minister in the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government, and also yesterday we saw almost he has quit the party. He has not officially declared it, but the press statement yesterday said that good luck to the party as we part. So clearly indicating that Jaswant Singh has almost quit the Bharatiya Janata Party. But the BJP is in damage control at this moment. They do not want the votes of the BJP and Jaswant Singh to really break down and divide in the Barmer city. But an interesting political contest from the Barmer city in Rajasthan. While Jaswant Singh is holding his fort, he's saying that he will contest as an independent candidate. The Bharatiya Janata Party leadership has told Colonel Sonaram Chaudhary and also Vasundhara Raje to not attack Jaswant Singh, and also have a massive rally today in the Barmer city, and that itself should be a response to Jaswant Singh. So the BJP at this moment resorting to some kind of a damage control exercise. They do not want the Congress and other political parties to take control of the situation and attack the BJP on going away with the loyalists. So a very, very interesting contest from the Barmer city, but it would be interesting also to see will it really help the BJP to sacrifice a senior leader like Jaswant Singh, because in the past as well we have had differences on LK Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi, and will this really strategy of waiting till the date of withdrawal help the BJP, because Jaswant Singh at this moment is in no mood to really take back his nomination. He is on his way to Jaisalmer. He will be staying put in Jaisalmer for the next 2 to 3 days and campaign against the Bharatiya Janata Party. So clearly at this moment, Jaswant Singh, one of the senior most leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, is in loggerheads with his own party in the Barmer city. Back to you.
Absolutely. And Aditya, you know, having said that, you are at Barmer. What really are the voices that you're picking up? You know, would this damage control really work? This is clearly a battle of Jat versus the Rajputs. But what really are you picking up from the people there? How do they identify with Jaswant Singh and Colonel Sonaram?
Well, the people again are divided here. Remember, Jaswant Singh has asked the people that this is the election of honor. He has said that the entire strategy of the BJP was against him. He in fact, yesterday in the rally, which was attended by almost 20 to 30,000 people, he directly attacked both Vasundhara Raje, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and also BJP President Rajnath Singh. Jaswant Singh went on to say that both these leaders had hatched conspiracy against Jaswant Singh. He waited till the very last moment that his name would be announced, but no BJP activist from the area was chosen as the Lok Sabha elections candidate from Barmer. It was somebody from the Congress who has been poached away just a couple of months back. So clearly Jaswant Singh trying to influence both the Jats and the Rajputs in the area, but Colonel Sonaram has been a two-time MP from the area, maybe 10 to 15 years ago, but certainly he also has a considerable influence on the voters here. So it would be interesting to see who really does make it on the 16th of May here from the Barmer city. But Jaswant Singh is holding fort. He is saying that he will convert the strength that he has really cultivated over the last 30 to 40 years in the area into votes, and he will win this seat. But a direct fight between the Bharatiya Janata Party, Congress, and the independent candidate, one of the senior leaders of the BJP, Jaswant Singh, in the Barmer city.